All right, let's shift into a heart healing expansion meditation and activation to support you, really opening up to what else is next or what else is possible in your life, whether it's self-love, dropping into a relationship, another step in business, whatever it is. The heart is really the root of being able to step into more as a soul and as a being. I'm super excited to talk about this. This is a meditation you come back to anytime. I'm recording this as we're shifting from winter into the spring equinox to kind of shift out of some heaviness and shift into more light. But you can return to this meditation anytime to really get out of some funky funk and come back home into yourself. So get cozy, you can sit, lay down, and let's drop into this baby. All right, and with yourself just settling in, you can close your eyes whenever you're ready or keep them partially open if that's more comfortable. And just noticing the breath moving in your body. And just as you bring your awareness back home into you, into your breath, does the breath naturally shift? Seeing what feels supportive as you land more fully here in this present moment and time. And just allowing your shoulders to roll backwards. Just doing a few little shoulder rolls. Allowing the physical body, spirit body to be working together right now. As you roll your shoulders, it's beginning to activate that sense of opening in the chest, in the heart. So go ahead and just open up that sweet, sweet chest. Feeling strong in that back body. And really allowing yourself to elongate that spine. Really feeling fine in that body. And taking a deeper inhale and exhale at your own pace. And if you feel comfortable doing some deeper audible exhales, really releasing out some excess energies. Beautiful. And just bringing awareness down into your feet, into your ankles. This is a great point of grounding into the earth. But just wiggling your feet, doing some ankle circles, doing a little movement with your toes, helping to engage and activate the feet, which help ground into the earth. And as you marinated those babies with movement, can you just kind of feel this deeper kind of magnet or connection with the earth, whatever your feet are touching right now? Feeling and being aware of, what's on your feet, socks, slippers, barefoot. Maybe aware energetically of the floor below that. And then maybe simultaneously being aware of even deeper to the rocks, to the soil below your feet. Feeling that kind of cool earth below. And maybe sinking in a little bit deeper with that sensing and awareness of maybe feeling a deeper, high energetic grid of light maybe about 30% below the Earth's crust. It doesn't have to be exact percentage. Just feeling a beautiful layer of light. It'll feel like home. Beautiful. And just maybe sensing what's happening in the feet as you're connecting deeper into the earth. Allowing the breath to cycle and not holding it. And I can just feel the root chakra wanting to ground. The root is at the base of the spine, representing your safety and security. Just allowing yourself to ground deeper into the earth. And whether you feel like you're grounding with like a tree below you, or a beautiful pillar of white light or gold light, what does it look like to be held? Your body, your energetic field around you. How do you want to ground and be held and supported today? Your body knows. Beautiful. Just feeling that deep solidity. Your body, your space around you deeply held. Just kind of like you're sinking into these earthly hands holding you right here in this moment of evolution. Allowing your shoulders to again fall back. Letting go of tension and stress. Great. Just taking another breath deeper into the hips, into the sacrum. Letting yourself land deeply. When you ground, it becomes easier to receive. Taking 2 more breaths at your own cycle, deep into the hips. And then when you're ready, you can shift that breath almost like a figure 8 upwards towards your heart, towards your sternum and chest. Almost like a beautiful figure 8 or infinity sign is almost moving as you breathe upward through your heart. It kind of cycles back to the back of your body. It dips down to the diaphragm, going forward through the front of your belly, down through the hips, up through the sacrum in the back, shifting up through the diaphragm as it cycles towards the heart. Playing with that infinity sign. Just kind of energy and breath moving, connecting root to heart. You can go in your own direction or have your own visualization for this. Moving up and around and down. Down and around and up. Feeling the infiniteness of you. Taking one more deeper inhale up. And letting go when you're ready. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now as the heart is more primed, your body, your aura is more grounded, now you can receive in the energetic channeling. So just being aware of your heart center, your ribs. Feel them breathe or move as you breathe. And I just want you to sense, to feel, imagine the most just gentle of warm light basking over this part of your body. It's almost like if you're coming out of a cave or darkness, you don't want to be blasted by the light. It's too much to integrate. It's almost like someone's holding a candle right in front of your heart. The soft glow of warmth being imbued here. Receiving in that warmth and the light of the sun, of this frequency of love, of possibility. Breathing in that warmth, maybe an inch deeper into the body. Every time you breathe, it's almost like breathing in that candle, that flame deeper into the center of your chest, towards your heart. Just stabilizing and familiarizing with this level of light. Allowing the body to integrate. And if any emotions or memories come up, let them flow. Let them flow. We're just kind of highlighting maybe what needs to release or what is. And I want you to visualize, imagine, or sense that candle, almost like someone's holding that little candle and just allowing that candle to expand to maybe the width of 3 candles or 5 candles, whatever feels good. We're multiplying the light. Bigger ball of flames, everything is going to be okay. And just allowing this infusion of 3 to 5 kind of candles of light to gently bathe your heart. And just noticing, allowing the body to stay soft, almost like a marshmallow. We are building up to the light so the body can continue to feel safe to receive. Sitting with that sense of what else is possible. What has been whispering or calling you forward lately? Calling the soul forth into its destiny. Just simply acknowledging anything that kind of comes up with this. Bridging to a deeper soul purpose here. Just breathing. And we're going to multiply this light just one more time here. Bring it to the least 10 candles, or almost kind of like this full width of your chest, this beautiful ball of light right outside of you. All of you have beautiful angelic teams that I'm witnessing, helping to hold this light and channel this in for you. And allowing this light to pour through your chest, to pour through the heart. A river of remembrance. And notice if there's any resistance. Do you feel safe to receive and to be seen? The call to your destiny and your purpose. Is that call bigger than the fear? It's okay to be in hesitations. It's okay to be in resistance. But can you just be here with your full ribs, full heart, full chest illuminated in light? And if this light wants to travel to other parts of your body, towards your crown, that intuition place, top of your head, or other places, allow it to move. It's not necessary, but see what your body wants. Allowing in the light of the angels, of love, and of deep support. And I want you to tell yourself 3 times, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. We're going to do one final step here as you're in this place of illumination. You're deeply grounded. You're receiving. I want you to acknowledge any parts of you, any maybe younger versions of you, times in your life, anything that is coming up that feels like it has self-doubt. There's that sense of fear of being seen, having more. Can you see those younger parts of you or aspects of you that are kind of rearing up? Just notice them. Keep breathing. Don't have to get into the story of it, but simply noticing maybe the time, age, what happened. And I want you to say 2 things to yourself. You are loved, and you are ready. You can say it as many times as needed. You can offer younger parts of you a deep hug, a hold, embrace. Give yourself this deep soul healing. You are loved and you are ready. You are loved and you are ready. You are loved and you are ready. And you can pause here. You can kind of keep journeying if you find other aspects or times of your life. Otherwise, we're going to continue on here. Doing some deeper inhales, exhales. As that energy is clearing, the heart is opening. Rolling the shoulders back one more time. Very good. And as we bring this into completion, I just want you to say to yourself internally or out loud 3 times, I am loved, I am loved, I am loved. Beautiful. And in your own time, you can open up your eyes whenever you are ready. And you can do a little shimmy shake as we've kind of stirred up a little bit of energy in there. You can do a little jumping jacks, do a little twerk. See how you feel. And notice, was that tender? Did it feel like a relief? What was your experience? And can you come back to this maybe a couple times over this next week as energy is shifting to really be able to receive more and what is calling your soul forth, especially in the spring of 2025. So be with the sweetness of this. Let me know kind of what comes up for you. If you have questions, comments, it is a joy to journey with you. Blessings to you all.